everyone, welcome to Learning High. If you are a VTU student preparing for the cloud computing exam with subject code BCS601 and aiming for 70 plus marks, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the most important questions of Module 1 you absolutely cannot miss, and if you want in-depth explanation about each and every question and access to most important questions of all the other modules, which would be extremely helpful for your last minute preparation, you can click on the link in the description below, which will help you score 80 plus marks in the VTU exam. Starting with the first question of Module 1, explain the evolution of computing technology and its shift from centralized computing to parallel and distributed systems. So firstly, the diagrammatic questions are really important and the diagrams carry a lot of marks. So first you draw the diagram along with all its labeling and explain the evolution of computing technology in a chronological order. And then you start explaining the second part of the question, which is transition from centralized to distributed computing. Question number 2, differentiate between high performance computing, HPC, and high throughput computing, HTC, with suitable examples. So firstly, you write a small definition about what is HPC and what is HTC, and then differentiate it using this table. So you differentiate it based on the factors of its definition, objective, typical workload, processing model, computational model, computing.
For more detailed explanations of other topics and modules, check the link in the description. These video explanations are created by expert VTU professors to help you score 80 plus in your semester exams.
Resources, communication dependency, performance metric, hardware used, and the example. Question number 3, describe the major computing paradigms: centralized computing, parallel computing, distributed computing, and cloud computing. So you explain each of them along with its definition, and you can also include a small example for each, which also might fetch you a few marks, extra marks. Question number 4, explain the key trends in scalable computing and how they influence parallelism in modern architectures. So start by multi-core and many-core architectures, then simultaneous multi-threading, GPU acceleration and heterogeneous computing, and all its features. Question number 5, discuss different degrees of parallelism with examples. So these are the different degrees. There are around 5 different degrees, which are bit level parallelism, instruction level parallelism, data level parallelism, and task level parallelism, and job level parallelism. You can give small definitions for each. Question number 6, describe various technologies that enable network-based systems in cloud computing. So the various approaches to build distributed operating systems for handling massive parallelism in distributed environments are 3, which is advancement in processor and network technologies, network for storage devices, and virtualization.
For more detailed explanations of other topics and modules, check the link in the description. These video explanations are created by expert VTU professors to help you score 80 plus in your semester exams.
For resource utilization. And then you start by explaining or giving brief about all these 3 distributed environments. Approaches. So under the first approach, which is advancement in processor and network technologies, you have multi-core CPUs, multi-threading technologies, and GPU computing. And the second part, with network for storage devices, you have memory technology, disk and storage technology, system area interconnects, and wide area networking. The third one, you have these many under it. If you want in-depth explanation about all this theory and you want tricks to learn all these things faster, you can access our video course, whose link is given in the description below. You will be redirected to our platform where you can access the course. Our expert VTU faculty has been teaching this subject. You can understand it really well. Question number 7. Discuss the major challenges in network-based systems and their impact on distributed computing. So these are the major challenges in network-based systems and the impact of these challenges in distributed computing. It's a complete theoretical question. Almost every question under this module is theoretical. Here comes one of the very most important questions, which is explain the concept of virtual machines and describe various virtual machine architectures such as native VM, host VM, and hybrid VM. So firstly, you draw a small diagram of a physical machine. Next, you draw what is a native machine, hosted machine, and dual mode machine. So
For more detailed explanations of other topics and modules, check the link in the description. These video explanations are created by expert VTU professors to help you score 80 plus in your semester exams.
all these diagrams carry a lot of marks. Drawing a diagram neatly will fetch you a lot of marks, which can also be helpful for your overall scoring. Firstly, you explain what is virtual machine architectures. And if you want explanation to all this, you can access the video course where you can easily understand each and every point under every topic in this module. Not only this module, but every other module. If you want to study in this way, by scoring, if you want to score well in every module, you can get access to all the important questions and most important questions which will let you score 80 plus marks. You can access our video course by clicking on the link in the description box. Coming to question number 9, explain the different system models used in distributed and cloud computing, or compare and contrast clusters, grids, peer-to-peer networks, and cloud computing. So firstly, you explain what is distributed and cloud computing systems. So how are they built, using what technology, and what are the nodes linked to it. Next, you have this very important table. You have to write it, which carries a lot of marks. Also, explanation to this is given by our faculty, where you can access the video course, as I said earlier. Question number 10, explain layered architecture for web services and grids. So these are other layers, and again a very important question which also carries marks for diagram.
For more detailed explanations of other topics and modules, check the link in the description. These video explanations are created by expert VTU professors to help you score 80 plus in your semester exams.
Okay, coming to question number 7. How does a software environment impact distributed cloud computing system? So under that you have service-oriented architecture, and under that you have several points which are very important and all of them carry marks. And next you have distributed operating systems following the same pattern. Next you have programming models, which has a table with model, description, and key features. Okay, so question number 12. Discuss the role of service-oriented architecture in modern cloud-based systems. So this is again a repeated question, which also implies that's a very important question. So here you already have the theory of what is service-based architecture, SOA. You can refer to that. Role of service-oriented architecture. It's the same thing. Question number 13. Explain the advantages and challenges of utility computing and its impact on cloud adoption. Again, the answer to this is given in our video course. You can access our video course and get the answer to this in an easy, very understandable manner. Our VTU faculty has explained it. So that is it for the video, guys. And for more detailed explanations of other topics and modules, check the link in the description. These video explanations are created by expert VTU professors to help you score 80 plus in your semester exams.
For more detailed explanations of other topics and modules, check the link in the description. These video explanations are created by expert VTU professors to help you score 80 plus in your semester exams.